Okay. Okay, last question. When using Microsoft Word, you can do the following. A. Insert a file. B. Insert a picture. C. All of the above. A.
All of the above.
All
All of the
above.
above.
Ang galing. Ang galing talaga tatay Tony.
Another question.
Another question.
Maganda ako eh. Sinasagot ko na yan eh.
Isa pa, more.
Okay, dali.
Last na, last.
Medyo mahirap-hirap naman.
How do you insert clip art into a document? A. Clip it with scissors. B. Draw the clip art on the document. Or C. Click on the insert button and click on the page. B.
Si!
Sigaw.
Okay na nga.
Tama
Okay
eh.
na po yun. Okay na po.
PD vlog.
Ano ba subject yan?
PD vlog.
Pwede po.
Yun.
Siyempre.
Ano ba course yan?
Kami po ay galing ng Baguio Enhancement of Technology Incorporated. Ito po ay assessment, computer, special science and computer literacy assessment.
Ikaw ka din mo
Computer education. Bye-bye po.
Ingat sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye-bye po. Salamat po sa tulong.
Bye-bye.
Yan, pwede rin yan. Tatawanan nyo.
Aw, aw, aw.